Hey, yo, what is up, guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fifine Amplitank Tank 3 XLR USB microphone. So when I first started the channel, I wanted to up my sound quality. And to do that, I researched different types of microphones. But starting off, I didn't really have the money to get anything too expensive. So I came across the Fifine K66 9B condenser microphone. There's a bunch of videos out there for it, and the reviews on it was excellent. And it was at a price point that did not hurt the bank. It was under 30 bucks. And the sound quality it gave was excellent in my opinion. So when Fifine reached out to me, asked if I wanted to check out the Tank 3, and of course, I couldn't say no to that. So here we are today. We're gonna take a look at that microphone. We're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna see what we get inside. We're gonna check out the build quality. And more importantly, we're gonna see how it sounds. So once again, Fifine did send this out to me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very, very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. All right, guys, so this is the box it comes in. Very simple. It's a tan cardboard box. We've got Fifine Amplitank on the top left here. Got a sketch or a drawing of the mic front and center. And we've got Tank 3 podcast microphone at the bottom right. And once again, this is a XLR/USB. So having that USB feature and XLR feature, it gives the mic the ability to grow with you. Right out the gate, you can just plug it in USB style. And later down the line, when you have the equipment to run it XLR, you can do that as well. All right, so let's open this up. Again, the box is simple, nothing really there. And there it is, guys. So we've got a user manual. Take a look at that in a little bit. We've got USB-A to USB-C cable. I apologize, I couldn't find the specifics on the USB cable. I'm gonna assume it's around 5 feet, 5 to 6 feet. So it should be good enough to be able to place your mic on a boom stand and be able to reach your computer if it's like on the floor. Should be good enough for that. And guys, this is the mic. Nothing else in the box. So you get the user manual, USB cable, and the mic. No stand, so you're gonna have to provide your own stand. And this thing is made out of all metal. It feels like a tank. It's got some heft to it. You've got a nice matte black finish. And these are plastic knobs. So you've got your mic gain right here. You can also monitor the sound, and you've got a knob to adjust that as well. So at the bottom here, you've got your XLR, you've got your USB, and you've got your headphone jack for monitoring. Again, this thing feels super solid in hand, guys. So let me set this up. We'll start with USB and see how we sound. All right, guys, so we have the mic set up via USB, and this is how we sound. There's no kind of post-processing. This is just raw sound coming from the mic. And when you have it via USB, you get the control knobs. They work. You can adjust your volume and things like that. And then you also get, I don't know if you guys see that, you also get this green button that lights up. That is your mute button. And now we're back on. All right, let's test it out with some plosives. Let's see how well it can handle that. So Peter Piper picked the pickled pepper. What do you guys think? Let's try that again. So Peter Piper picked the pickled pepper. So let me know what you guys think. How do we sound? And I'm probably about 6 inches away from the mic. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, we are back. So we've got it set up XLR style. And here's the mic about 6 inches away. Let me know what you guys think. How do we sound? Is there a difference versus the USB? Or is it the same? All right, guys, so let's test out the plosives. Here we go. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Let me know what you guys think. Did it block out the plosives? Do we still sound clear? Again, I'm about 6 inches away from the mic. And again, this is dynamic, so it should block out most of the sound coming from the sides. I got a fan blowing. I got a computer on the side here. Hopefully it does not affect the audio quality. Hopefully it's being blocked out and that we're coming through clear. So yeah, guys, this is the Fifine Amplitank Tank 3 dynamic microphone. And again, it is USB and XLR inputs so that the mic can grow with you if you are to pick this up as a new content creator for like streaming, podcast, or just talking headshots like what I'm doing now. This thing can grow with you once you have the funds to pick up the rest of the items that you need to run this XLR. You can do that. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to check out this mic, I'll put a link in the description in case you want to check it out. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.